How to leave a private story on Snapchat. It's really easy. First of all, open your Snapchat and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, you can simply tap on your profile icon right here. After doing that, in here, you can see there is the option of a new private story right here. You'll need to first create a private story in order to share it. So simply tap on this option and then you'll have to now select your friends in order to add to your private story. I'm going to select two different friends just like this and then tap on create story. So after doing that, you'll need to name your story, or you can simply put your friend's name just like that and tap on done. But for now, I'm going to name it test just like this and then tap on done. So after doing that, here you can see our private story name test has successfully been created. Now, in order to upload a photo or video, you can simply tap on this private story just like this. And then you can either post your snaps or you can simply tap on camera roll. And then from here, you can now select any photos or videos that you want to post to your story. I'm going to go with this particular video right here, tap on it, and then here you can see this is the video. If you want to edit it, you can simply do that by different snap tools that you can see right here. For now, I'm going to go with the original video. Then all you need to do is tap on the send button right here. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully lived our private story on Snapchat. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.